YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video, man. Today is Tuesday, first trading day of the week for me, and I'm supposed to be going to work right now. But I am in a hotel right now, and I'm in a trade. I am in $450 in profits. Look how close it came up to my take profit. I slept here with other people as well. You know what I'm saying? So they went down to get some breakfast, and I'm over here still waiting for this trade. I'm gonna wait for like 10 more minutes. And if it doesn't go to my TP, man, I'm gonna just close it exactly what it is and call it a day. Because right now, if it goes back down, it's going to be basically a break-even trade. But I'm still waiting for it to go up. Like it's literally about to be right there with $500 in profit. And there's a high potential. There's a 1 minute demand right here that it came down to, and now it's going up. So there's a high possibility that it's gonna go up there. So because of that, I'm not taking this trade out. So yeah, man. All I'm aiming for is a 1-to-1, and the reason why it is a $500 win, and even though it's like close to my 1-to-1, is because when it came down, I added another contract to it, so it made my win bigger and my loss shorter, smaller. You know what I'm saying? So that's the reason why, even though it hasn't hit my take profit, we are a lot in profits, is because of that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna watch this trade. I'm about to exit it, man. I'm thinking about closing it right now. I don't know. We're gonna see. But whatever is it that I do, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the day, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I won't be able to explain the trade that I'm taking right now because of work. So, but I think I will be heading to New Jersey later on today. So whenever sometime this day, man, at the end of the video, I will break down the trade for y'all, man. So stay tuned for that if you want to learn some of how I trade. So all right, guys. So I did ended up closing the trade because you guys can see I'm in a hurry, man. I gotta go get some breakfast. It's already 6:30. I have to go to work at 6:45. So I still got 15 minutes to eat. So it's not bad, man. But I still gotta, I'm in a hurry. So that's the reason why I couldn't show you guys a trade. And right now, I don't see the elevator. Am I going the wrong way? So we finished doing all the work. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. We were supposed to get another car to help us put the tools in this car, but somehow, some way, we managed to put all the tools in the trunk of this car, man. Listen, I don't know how we did it. There was supposed to be another car that was gonna come to help us take the tools, but we made it happen. You know what I'm saying? The job is done. I'm gonna put a little video here somewhere so you guys can see it. But yeah, man, going back to New Jersey. But anyways, man, we have now made it back to New Jersey, back to the house. We finished everything that we had to do, and now we are not working tomorrow. So right now I'm heading out to a church group because this time 7:30 is when they have a church group, and since I have the time, I will be that's where I'm heading right now. And because of that, I don't know exactly if I'm gonna be uploading a video today or if I'm gonna just upload it tomorrow combined with the day of tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that, man. But whatever is it that I do, man, if I do upload it, then you guys will be seeing this video today. But if I don't, then you guys will have two days in one video, man. So yeah, I'm gonna head out right now, and yeah, tomorrow we will be trading New York session because, like I said, I'm not working. So YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? So it's right now the next day, and as you know, right now it is. Oh no, it turned off. It is 10:45 a.m. in the morning. I just finished trading London session. I mean, not London session, New York session, because as you know, it didn't work today. So we did take a trade today, and I didn't explain the trade that I took yesterday, but I took another win today, man. So we have 2 wins so far. We are 2-0 for the week. As you guys can see, this is the trade that I just took. It was an amazing win, and it was a total of $648 that we won. But I'm gonna explain to you guys the 2 trades that I took. I'm gonna do it quickly because I do have to go to Maryland right now. I'm getting things ready to go visit the family because it's been a minute since I haven't been there. So, but
since I'm not working this week, I'm gonna just go over there. But let's get into the computer, man. Let me explain to you guys the trade that I took. So let's get it. Let's go over these trades real quick. I'm gonna break them down as quickly as I can because, like I said, I do have to go to Maryland, so I'm gonna try to do it as quickly and as understandable as possible as I can be. You know what I'm saying? But the first trade that we took, this was on Tuesday. This was London session. This was the New York session, and it was a win. It was a simple supply and demand, as you guys can see. I don't really like taking this type of demands where the next candle just comes back down to this demand and then it gives you the break of the candle. I usually like my demands to push up for a little bit and then come back down again. But in this case, the only reason why I took it is because look at all of the EMAs. We have the 200, 50, and 13 SMA. All of them are aligned. And the reaction that we got from this candle right here, it was an amazing reaction. So that's the only reason why I took it. And it was playing around for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It was playing for a long time. Like a long. I remember I was waiting for more than an hour. But I was just being patiently waiting, and I had my stop loss somewhere over here. So if it was to come back down, I was cool with that. But I sat through this entire consolidation right here, just waiting. And yeah, man, at the end, it did go up to my take profit, and we had a $750 win. And the reason why the win was bigger than the risk right here is because I entered with one contract here at first, and when it did this little push towards the bottom, I added another contract because my risk with one contract was $300, something around there. And as you know, my risk is between 4 to 5. So I was like, if it comes back down in my position, I'm going to add another contract because adding two contracts in the original entry the risk was going to be too much. So I added one contract, and when it dropped, I added another contract. So it made my risk smaller and my win was bigger. And because of that, we had a $750 win. And the win that we took today was this one. This was a long. This was on gold as well. And in this case, we are consolidating. I see that we have this consolidation going on here. So when we are in consolidation, the best strategy that we can use is liquidity grabs. So that's exactly what happened here, man. This candle right here, it came underneath this low of this candle and it took liquidity. So right here, it took liquidity. And then as you guys can see, it took liquidity. Why? Because the body of this candle that came underneath that low didn't close underneath that low. You know what I'm saying? It just came down, it left the wick, and the body closed above. So that was a liquidity grab. But that wasn't enough confluence for me. I was waiting for the break of the 13 SMA. So this was a little difficult I'm gonna explain to you guys everything because I didn't want to enter at first because we had this demand right here. So let me go candle by candle. So I see the liquidity happening right here, right? But now I'm just waiting for price to break above the 13 SMA. The 13 SMA is this blue line that goes along the price. So I'm just waiting for that. But at the same time, I see that we have this demand here. Supply. So the market comes up to that supply and it breaks above the 13 SMA. This candle breaks above, but I don't get in. Because we have this supply. So if it's gonna be respected, we're gonna get cooked. I don't know if the market wants to go towards the bottom or towards the top. So I just wait. And as you guys can see, yeah, right here. This red candle came above the supply, which means that it invalidated the zone, so we no longer have a supply here. So when this candle comes down again to the original entry where I should have entered, when it comes back down again, I ain't gonna lie to you, man, I enter a little bit lower than the original entry. So I was supposed to enter right there when the candle closed right there. But I enter like somewhere down here, when this candle came underneath. So, but I was aiming for the 1-to-1 regardless. My 1-to-1 was right here. And I usually like to push it a little bit more than a 1-to-1 because of the fees and the commissions and everything, So that's what I did. I get in. It was a $450 risk that I had from this area here. And yeah, man, what can I say? It was playing around for a long time. Like, look at this. Look how close it came up to my take profit. And they did that 2 times. You guys are gonna see. You guys are gonna see right here. I think, yeah, this candle came up again another time. At this point, I just had my stop loss underneath this lows right here. So I was like, you know what? If it comes back down to my stop loss, then it is what it is. The loss that we're gonna have is a very minor loss. So I just sat through the whole thing. I was just being waiting. You know what I'm saying? It took a very long time, bro. But it ended up coming up to my take profit, and we had another $648 win. We are $1,400 in profit for the week, real money. This is my live account that I'm trading. But as you know, last week we did break our discipline, and that's why we broke our trading plan. And that's why we have a big loss, because the trade that we were supposed to walk away with was a $390 loss. These are extras, so we would have been in profits. That's what happens when you don't stick to your plan, you know what I'm saying? So this is a huge lesson. Even though we're in profits, we're still in drawdown from last week drawdown, you know what I'm saying? But overall, the account is in profits. I believe we are in like $4,000 in profit right now since I started trading the live account, which is amazing. It's amazing, you know what I'm saying? And we had an amazing day. But right now, man, let me get ready because I do have to go to Maryland. I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the day. I'm gonna take you guys with me in the road trip, and yeah, man, stay tuned. It's 11:26 right now. We're just getting out of the house. We got a long way, and I didn't even shower. But luckily, I did shower last night though, so it's not too bad. But yeah, man, I'm gonna be in this car for like 4 hours. Finna go grab a coffee somewhere ahead in the road. So yeah, man, let's go. But anyways, man, we have now made it here to Maryland, hometown, you know what I'm saying? It feels great, it feels amazing to be here. I won't lie to you guys, because one thing, bro, my mindset kind of changes when I'm over here, because when I go to New York, New Jersey, this is my second hometown. It feels like lock in. It feels like I gotta lock in. It feels like I gotta be working. It feels like I gotta be doing something, kind of feels like my mindset is like work, get things done, work, focus mode, But when I come here to Maryland, my mindset kind of changes a little bit. It's more like, let's focus on spending time with family. Let's make sure that we have a good time with them, and not focus too much on work. Like we're still going to be trading. We still gotta be disciplined. We still gotta do things like 30-minute run and things of that nature, but that only takes a portion of my day. It doesn't take all day for me to do that, But like I want to say is, my mindset here is not too much like I need to be working. It's just like, let's get these things that I always gotta do on a daily basis, like trade, run, exercise, make sure that we are eating well, and things of that nature. But after that, when we get all of those things done, I'm just focusing on family, spending time with family. And that's kind of like my mindset is more like, we gotta chill a little more. We get to go out, with friends and things of that nature. So it's all about balance, it's all about balance. But once I do leave this place, when I get back to New Jersey, it's like work mode. It's like over there, I have no distractions. Over there is, we have to be locked in. But here, it's not like that. So yeah, man, we have arrived here, and it is, I think it's like 4 p.m. right now, and this is like 4 hours going south. So that's the more south you go, the weather becomes more warm. So it's an amazing weather here, man. I can literally be without this long sleeve. I can literally be shirtless, and I'll be fine. The weather here is amazing. It's a sunny day. It's amazing, bro. It's an amazing day. I will be doing some things throughout this time that I will be here. I will be here for a decent time, because today is Wednesday. We'll be here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. Sunday afternoon, I'm leaving so I can go back to work on Monday. And that's only if they're going to need me to go to work, If not, because there are some other people in New Jersey, if they can take care of it, then I might just stay here a little bit longer. So yeah, man, I'm definitely be spending some time here with the family. I want to upload every single day. I can't promise you guys that, but you know, I'm gonna try to. If I can't, it's because certain things are happening that are not allowing me to do it, you know. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just end this video right here. I'm about to go shower. About to get ready to go to my brother has a game. My little brother, that lives here has a game later on today. So I'm about to go shower, and then finna go. About to be going out with the family to see the game. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see you guys here tomorrow. I will be trading New York session tomorrow and Friday as well. So I'm gonna try to upload those videos for you guys. And yeah, man, without further ado, y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, and make sure that you have a relationship with the highest, Jesus Christ. Without further ado, man, this video is now over.